everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this right here. It is a 8-pack of glass food storage containers. Let's go ahead and get right into this. I am super excited about this. These are actually really affordable. I love the fact that they are glass, so you can actually put these in your microwave and you're not going to worry about on the plastic containers. Sometimes when you put them in the microwave, they do get kind of rent from that. It does have 2 in each little thing. So there's this pack right here, which is great for taking for lunch as well. You have this one and this one, and they're so cute. This one has a little bit of plastic wrap, so let me go ahead and remove that. So I think they're all the same size. You get 4 of each. So 4 of these and 4 of these, which are actually perfect size containers. This is great for a lunch. This is great for a side or a snack or something. So you could have your husband, if you pack his lunch, take these 2. And it's literally perfect. So let me go ahead and finish unwrapping all these, and then I'll show you what they look like in use. I also wanted to add on these containers, it does have this little thing right here. This where it will release steam so that it'll actually be able to escape when you're heating it up, which I thought was really cool. So as you can see, it has this little blue seal that's in there. And then when you put it on this, it's just gonna go right over like this. And then it's super easy